Want longer Sora videos for free? Watch this safe, platform-friendly workflow in 60 seconds. Quick note, do not break Sora terms. These are compliant methods and best practices. Step 1. Plan your story into short chapters so each upload feels complete and connected. Step 2. Edit locally to tighten pacing and export optimized clips that match Sora limits. Step 3. Publish as a series or sequential parts with clear numbering and chapter markers. Quick demo next. Watch short screen recordings, zoom annotations, and exact captions to use. Tip 1. Export using Sora recommended resolutions and a balanced bitrate to save space. Tip 2. Add captions and title cards so each part feels complete for viewers. Tip 3. Use playlist pins, pinned comments, or chapter links to guide viewers to the next part. Bonus tip. Monitor retention reports and trim or split parts where viewers drop off. If you need more capacity, request a feature increase through Sora support or community programs. Try this workflow today, respect platform rules, and follow for more quick creator tips.